anybody who doesn't live in it, it seems a land of mystery and romance, full of the exotic promise of the veil. There are still people who think of it as the land of harems and the Arabians. In reality, it's a harsh and lonely place. Every well in the desert is like a port. The camel caravans cross the desert like ships cross the sea. There are no frontiers, no fixed territory, no land belonging to anyone. There are just the wandering Bedouins and Arabia camels, as attached to each other as sailors in their ships, bringing their trade to the desert. So important that the Arabian oasis became the direct inspiration of the Muslim idea of heaven. No wonder. It's a hard life in Arabia, and it breeds hard men, but it is perfectly adjusted now to the
It is their pride that they can survive where few others could. Their manner of life and even their costume have barely changed since the days of Abraham. Their folklore and their poetry are not of tranquil things, but of wars and gallantry, of loyalty, courage and conquests. Water is scarce in the desert. Out of necessity, they will cover hundreds of miles each year in search of grazing and water.